My dad never cooked until recently, when my mom wasn't able to cook for him anymore. He started eating lots of fast food because he didn't know what else to eat. Thankfully, he took me up on my offer to help him cook some easy, healthy recipes. After a few lessons, he became so excited and wanted more lessons. Of course I said yes. My biggest obstacle is that I live far away from him. So to continue with his lessons, I created Cooking Lessons for Dad, a cooking course with step-by-step healthy recipes. I was so surprised how many people signed up. Next, I created this Cooking Lessons for Dad YouTube channel so I can teach even more people. And here you are now. If you are a beginner cook and want to learn how to cook healthy food, please join me in my cooking lessons. Subscribe to this channel so you will not miss any of my delicious, easy recipes. I will post new lessons every week. Learning to cook can change your health and change your life. See you in my next lesson.